Okay, I'm going to remind you how to do the linear regression that we did in class. So first you're going to go to New Document, and you're going to add lists and spreadsheets. We're going to label our first column with the independent variable, which is the femur, and our second column with the dependent variable, which is the height. Now we're going to input the values. And go back up and input the dependent values. From here, if you want to see your data, you can press Menu, Data, and Quick Graph. That's going to display a graph on the side. Remember, you're going to make the independent variable be the femur and the dependent variable be the height. So that looks like it is going to be a linear correlation, so we're going to do a linear regression. So click back over on your table, and now you're going to go to Menu, Statistics, Stat Calculations, and choose Linear Regression MX plus B. You're going to choose our independent variable, the femur. Dependent variable is the height. Make sure your regression equation is going to be saved to F1 and click OK. Now, you can see this is going to be the slope of our line, 2.604. The y-intercept is going to be 64.999. Our correlation coefficient is 0.995, which tells us that we have a strong positive linear correlation. Okay, now if we want to graph this, we're going to go to Doc, Insert, Graphs. The first thing you want to do is go up to F1 and press Enter to display it. You're not going to see it right away, but what we're going to do next is we're going to insert a scatter plot. So go to Menu, Graph Entry, and choose Scatter Plot. Now we're going to choose femur, our independent variable. Notice that it's bolded, and height is our dependent variable, and press Enter. We still don't see it, but what we can do is we can go to Zoom Data, which will zoom in on our scatter plot and our regression line. Now we can use this line to make predictions. Go to Menu, Trace, Graph Trace, and you can make lots of predictions. Here, for instance, you can see if the femur is 43.8 centimeters, the height is predicted to be 179.033 centimeters. If we want to make a prediction like we did in class for 35 centimeters, we can press Enter. The last thing we practiced in class was to add one more kind of document. So press the Doc key and go to Insert, and now you're going to insert Calculator. And you can use this screen to make predictions. So since our regression equation is saved as F1, we can type in F1, and then inside the parentheses we'll put whatever we want to make a prediction for using this as our independent variable. So for instance, earlier we wanted to make a prediction for 35 centimeters, so I put in 35 and press Enter. And you can see that is 156.122 centimeters would be predicted for the height. Okay, so again, this is how you do linear regression. Make sure you study this for your Unit 1 exam.